Our next stop takes us to New Hampshire, where a university program originally developed for local police and fire departments has rapidly grown into the leading provider of drone training in all of New England. Recognized by the FAA as a certified provider, they offer licensing training and certification for students, teams, organizations, and anyone interested in exploring the rapidly growing world of drone technology. Join us as we take flight with the University of New Hampshire Drone Academy.
The UNH Drone Academy is a non-credit professional development program that we offer to help people learn how to fly drones safely, legally, to provide any kind of career advancement opportunities in their businesses. So as the Drone Academy and drone industry is expanding, we try to keep up with the latest updates and tell people, here's how you can operate drones legally, safely, and here's how you can apply them to your business.
The UNH Drone Academy is a unique program because in this day and age where everything is moving to online, asynchronous, learn at your own pace, the Drone Academy provides that but also focuses on hands-on learning, one-on-one instructional support, and providing the customization so that if you're a beginner or someone interested in going for a commercial use, it's there for you.
Well, the one-day intro to drones is probably our most popular. That is a great introduction for students that want to know where they can fly within the United States. We cover the rules and regulations, FAA rules and regulations within the United States, so students not only know how, but where they can fly safely and legally. We discuss the components within the drones, not only the $50 drone that you can get on the web, but also the $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 drone as it moves up.
I teach the drone photography and videography class here at UNH, and it's a really fun class where we spend 3 days together getting everyone from the start of learning the rules and the safety to actually having a final product where they went out, shot the drone, and then actually can share the end photos with their family and members.
The UNH Drone Academy student experience is incredible. The students get to come in, they typically bond and network with all the other students in the class. There's a lot of engagement that goes on between the different businesses and industries they might work in, where they see drone technology going in the future, and things like that. Our instructors are incredible as well. They provide, the utmost experience to all of our students. Working one-on-one with them is probably the best part of the class because all of our instructors are certified, they know what they're doing, they know what they're talking about.
So I signed up for the academy and I came up here and it was a very good experience. Jim Cloutier was the teacher. He showed us there's a lot of different regulations and things, and he told us about that and gave us information. And then we went out into the field to practice. It's been a very good experience, and I've come back for several classes here.
We're a program designed by business professionals with years of experience. We update our classes on a regular basis to keep track of the FAA rules and regulation changes and drone technology. And that's what makes UNH Drone Academy one of the world's greatest.